Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Hey, Joe Elite. Hope you're all doing great. Today, we are opening Unified Minds. Why? Because we want Mewtwo and Mew, that rainbow card. That card is unbelievable. I hope we pull it. Any of them would be great. Any of the Mew and Mewtwo cards. But it is a beautiful card. And hopefully we do it. We're fresh off of pulling a Shining Mew. So let's get into this. Before we do that, my giveaway for the Johto Elite. Again, you must be subscribed, active member of the Johto Elite. Hashtag giveaway. Hashtag gotta catch them all. Bulbasaur, Charmander, Eevee, Pikachu, Squirtle. Funko Pops. You don't know what Funko Pops are? Then they're an amazing product. Johto Johnny loves them for his backgrounds, as you can see. A little scared to open these packs because they were very dirty. Very, very dirty. When I bought them, well, the cover is, but let's hope the cards are okay. Fun set to open. Like I said, I needed a break from Sword and Shield. I really did, and Rebel Clash. I'd much rather, if I could, oh, Dedenne, very cute. I'd rather be opening Hidden Fates every day, but it doesn't happen like that. I'm not like my buddy JD State CCM 90, you know. He's got towers of boxes. Hope you're doing well, buddy. There's a rare Licky. I'll actually open it right for once. How's that, Johto Elite? There's the code. Energy. A Self. Blues Tactics. Fracture. Magmar. Cottony. Snowrunt. Dynamo. Metatite. Metatite again. Galvantula. So we're opening 12 packs. Would be great to pull one of those Mew or Mewtwo cards. Well, Mew and Mewtwo cards. Energy. Fracture. Basculin. Munchlax. Axew. Finian. Stunfisk. Gibble. Lickitung. Munchlax. Galvantula again. The only problem when you buy blister packs, you never know. Well, you truly never know any at all, but yeah, what do these get soaked or something? This is terrible. Let's hope something good's inside. So far, 4 green codes. Solid green, everybody. I remember why I don't open these. I never know. You gotta stay positive. Hapu. Magneton. Sneasel. Bonesweet. Joltik. Salandit. Riolu. That's a beautiful card. Dynamo. And Abomasnow. As far as 4 regular rares. Not even a holo. Let's hope. All right, this is ridiculous. This is another solid. Energy. Blues Tactics, Lampent, Masharna, Noibat, Sawaddle, Skorupi, Wimpod, Slackoth, Joltik, and another Galvantula. Woo! We got the trifecta. Don't laugh, I'll cry. So, yeah. I'm gonna laugh. Oh, no. There's the code. Karate Belt, Grimsley, Pukamuku, Yungoos, Yanma, Execute, Murkrow, Snoiver, Why Not, and Necrozma. Alright, maybe that's a sign, Necrozma. I know it's not hollow, but imagine one pack, one good one, and it's the rainbow. We'll take it. We'd be very happy. And there they are. They're like, you know what? We're ready. We're going to come out for you. You've opened nothing but garbage so far. Oh, my God. Are you serious? This is bad. This is really bad. Tornadus. That's a cool looking card. Swadloon. Why Not? Murkrow, Snoiver, Dratini, Fungus, Honedge, Relicanth, and Meloetta. Oh, Johto Elite. This is tough. But we'll stay positive. Very hard to, but we gotta stay positive. Hope for the best. There's the code. Energy. Turtoga. Tranquil. Recycle Energy. Dynamo, Poipole, Snowrunt, Drillbur, Dwebble, Purloin. Okay, thank goodness we got a GX. Rowlet and Alolan Executor GX is the pull. Very nice, about time. We have 4 more packs to go. There's the code. Alright, so we did get a pull. It's not a fantastic one, but we will take it. Energy, Audino, Yanmega, Jinx, Alolan Grimer, Carablast, Fletchling, Honedge, beautiful Pikachu. That's an awesome Pikachu card. Camerupt, and Talonflame. And we got 3 more packs to do some damage. Let's hope they're all some big time winners. Oh, that might be a good sign. There's the code. Let's hope. Come on, Johto Elite. Energy. Dragonair. Dhelmise. Heracross. Hoot Hoot. Scraggy. Numel. Dynamo. Poipole. Pikachu. And Alolan Raichu holographic. Alright. We got a holo. And a GX. Can we get a full art? Can we get a rainbow? Can we get something? Another Mew and Mewtwo pack. They're like, yeah. We're not coming out, Jodo Joe. There's the code. Energy. Lapras. Karate Belt. Grimsley. Purloin. Magmar. Dynamo. Cosmog. Salandit. Terracoin. And Salazzle. Last pack, Deoxys and Espeon. There's the code. Energy, Pukamuku, Archon, Yanmega, Gibble, Sawaddle, Bidoof, Skorupi, Wimpod, Cresselia, and Abomasnow. Joe Elite, that was rough. Oh, man. 12 packs. You hope something. We did pull a GX. Thank goodness. But boy, that was bad. That was really bad. Oh, my goodness. So there's the highlight of the video right there. Then we got Abomasnow, Salazzle. That's a nice holographic, though. Talonflame, Meloetta, Necrozma, Galvantula ×3, another Abomasnow, Galvantula, Lickalicky. Jodo Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Jodo Lee, please enjoy the rest of your day. Hope it's amazing as always. Like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell. And of course, hashtag giveaway, hashtag gotta catch them all. Thank you all and have a great day.